Welcome to our guide on how to use search filters with Top on X, Twitter, on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, input your search query into the search box located at the top of the Twitter page. Once you've entered your search query, your search results will display a mix of posts, photos, accounts, and various content types. To filter your search results to show the top results based on relevance and engagement, look for the top option located at the top of your search results page. Simply click on the Top tab to refine your search results and view the most popular and impactful content related to your search query on X, Twitter, on your PC. By following these simple steps, you can effectively use search filters with Top to discover the most relevant and engaging content tailored to your search query on the platform. Thank you for joining us. We hope this tutorial has been informative in demonstrating how to use search filters with Top on X, Twitter, on your PC. Enhance your search experience by accessing the top results that align with your interests and stay updated on trending and popular content within your search criteria.